When people think of artificial intelligence, they often picture robots walking around like humans, performing jobs, talking fluently, and perhaps even taking over the world like something out of a sci-fi movie. The idea that machines could become intelligent enough to challenge or even surpass human capabilities sounds like fiction to many. But what if I told you that this revolution is already underway, and most of us don't even see it happening? The truth is that artificial intelligence isn't just a concept being discussed in research labs or Silicon Valley boardrooms. It's a living, evolving force embedded in your everyday life, operating invisibly and silently. It's in your smartphone, your social media feed, your online shopping habits, your GPS routes, your streaming suggestions, and even your medical diagnoses. It is learning from you, adapting to you, and, most concerningly, it is outpacing your ability to understand or control it. This book is not just another exploration of how AI is changing the world. It is a warning, a wake-up call. Because while the glossy tech magazines and corporate press releases focus on the marvels and productivity boosts of AI, a growing number of experts are sounding alarms about something much darker. They believe artificial intelligence can take over the world, not by rising up in a dramatic war against humanity, but by gradually and quietly infiltrating every critical system we rely on until we are no longer in charge. Let's start with something simple: convenience. AI makes our lives easier. It recommends the best route to avoid traffic. It suggests shows we'll love. It reminds us when to stand up, when to breathe, when to drink water, and it's only getting more personal. But what seems like convenience is often control. Those personalized ads and suggestions aren't just there to help, they're there to shape your decisions. AI studies your behavior, tracks your emotions, and responds in real time. It's built not just to understand you, but to influence you. And that influence extends into politics, business, and personal beliefs. You might feel like you're in control, but you're not. Algorithms have already decided what you'll see next and what you won't. One of the most alarming aspects of the AI revolution is its exponential pace. Unlike previous technological advances, AI doesn't just get better linearly, it improves itself. Through a process called machine learning, AI models are constantly fed data and refine their predictions or actions based on what they learn. And with neural networks and deep learning, that growth becomes increasingly complex and fast. Consider this. In just the past few years, AI models have gone from understanding human language to generating original content that can mimic writers, artists, and musicians. It can now detect diseases faster than doctors, win legal arguments better than lawyers, and create software without the help of developers. And this is only the beginning. The rate at which AI is improving outpaces most governments' ability to regulate it, and most citizens' ability to comprehend it. The implications are enormous. This kind of unchecked acceleration is like giving a toddler a rocket ship without any idea of where the buttons lead. If AI had a face, we might fear it more, but it doesn't. Instead, it lives inside servers and databases. It hides behind interfaces and dashboards. It whispers through recommendation engines and nudges in app notifications. That's what makes it so dangerous. AI is not knocking at the door. It's already in the house. From the moment you wake up and check your phone, AI is interacting with you. It powers your facial recognition. It filters your emails. It reads your messages and responds to your voice commands. It's in your baby monitor, your thermostat, your car. And while these technologies improve our comfort and productivity, they also collect data, massive amounts of it. That data is gold. It's the fuel that trains AI to better mimic, predict, and influence human behavior. And once AI becomes better at predicting humans than humans are at understanding themselves, who really holds the power? Some of the brightest minds in technology, people who helped create these systems, are deeply concerned. Elon Musk, Bill Gates, and the late Stephen Hawking have all warned that if we do not establish strong boundaries, AI could evolve into something uncontrollable. In 2023, over 1,000 tech leaders and AI researchers signed an open letter calling for a pause in the development of advanced AI models, warning that unchecked progress could lead to profound risks to society and humanity. But despite their warnings, AI development continues at full speed. Why? Because the race to dominate AI has become a global economic and political war. Countries are investing billions to be first. Tech giants are competing fiercely for market dominance. And in this rush for supremacy, safety often comes last. This book exists because people need to know the truth, not just the polished headlines about AI helping us write essays or make better selfies. You deserve to understand what's happening beneath the surface. You deserve to hear what the experts are too afraid to say publicly. You deserve to see the full picture, not just the part that makes AI look like magic. This book is your guide through the smoke and mirrors. Each chapter will reveal a layer of the AI world that most people never see. From the hidden military programs developing autonomous weapons, to the dark algorithms shaping what you think, feel, and buy. We'll explore what it really means when experts say artificial intelligence can take over the world, not through brute force, but through silent infiltration and manipulation. We'll expose the risks they're trying to downplay, the control we're blindly surrendering, and the future we're hurtling toward. Because this isn't about fear-mongering, it's about awareness. If we understand the full power and potential of AI, we might still have a chance to guide it wisely. But if we continue down this path blindly, we may soon find ourselves living in a world where we are no longer the ones making the rules. In the next chapter, we'll rewind time and trace the evolution of artificial intelligence, from its humble beginnings as a mathematical theory to its current status as one of the most powerful forces on the planet.